Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. This video meant to explain this simple strong password suggestion web app to help generate password to ease registration process. Normally users' registration often require user to be creative in order to fulfill password requirement on the fly. This simple web app were to demonstrate proof of concept with Flask as web framework, Python function to generate cryptographically strong pseudo-random, and htmx access AJAX in HTML. Helps users having difficulty to come up with effective and strong password create strong, unique passwords while try to register their online accounts. Address challenges for users to come up with password during account creation. Strong password suggestion is to gene root passwords that enhances the security of your online accounts. In turn, helps prevent common security issues like using weak passwords or reusing the same password across multiple sites. This reduces the risk of your accounts being compromised and increase difficulty for hackers to guess or crack. Let's walk through how it actually works. You may download the source by git clone the repository into your local machine. GitHub repository link will be put under description section. Copy and paste git clone syntax into your preferred terminal to start download all the project files. Pip install necessary packages reference to requirements file. Individual operating system installation privilege vary to one another, so please refer to official documentation if you facing issue installing Python packages with pip tool. After install necessary packages, we may run the web app with Flask run. Here a debug parameter inserted to ask Flask to return error messages during any exception event. We able to browse to web app page with localhost address. Here we got a simple input box and submit button. User able to hold down Ctrl key and left click to send password in a generate request. When suggested password suitable for respective user, they may click submit button to submit confirm password. Bottom section information basically display the capture submitted password. Whenever user wish to input preferred password, users may simply left click input box to start key in preferred password. When finished, click main page to reset test page. Now let's walk through backend code. In app.py file, there is two function handling HTTP GET and POST requests. Index function handles main page GET request and submit result page POST request. Each HTTP request separated with if condition whether to return submitted result or simply return main page, whereby GetPass function handles password generate request. GetPassword function handles HTTP request. Password with 12-digit in length. Password function come from PySecret generator module. Return to input page with result variable. Here is a quick rundown about how PySecret generator works. Multiple type of secret generator function like hex, URL-safe, bytes, and general password. For this demonstration purposes, we'll focus on password generator only. Password function basically generate a random alphanumeric string with special symbol characters without white space, and at least one lowercase character, at least one uppercase character, at least one special symbol character, and at least 3 digits. PySecret generator basically is a tool to generate cryptographically strong random numbers suitable for managing data such as passwords, account authentication, security tokens, and related secrets. More information about how PySecret generator works may refer to GitHub page link in description section. Here is some examples how PySecret generator run with command line. Final part of the HTML code, we have here 3 HTML pages handle main page serve as base HTML template for result and input page. Here we need to install htmx JavaScript code linked to local htmx min.js file. This is an offline installation. Next, we need to set up HTML form tag for an input box and submit button. Encloses Jinja block name my input contain htmx attributes perform AJAX magic exchanges data without loading full HTML page. Value attribute will show return variable from server and respective name and ID value for form data reference. AJAX get allow element to issue a GET request to specific URL, then load the return data into AJAX target element and action AJAX trigger by Ctrl key and left click and delay for 1 second. Upon return data from server AJAX swap the HTML into the outer DOM element. Lastly, AJAX Brum allows to filter the parameters. In this example, filter out value underscore parameter during GET request. Below section is the second Jinja block content inheritance placeholder and replacements from result.html. As highlighted, result.html content will replace under block content section in indexed HTML main page. Generally render capture data value under subdata variables submitted by user and hyperlink return back to main page. Same goes to input.html contain input box HTML attributes will replace Jinja block myinput in index.html page. As every time user submitted password request, input box needs to be reset and start over again. Generally, it's having same HTML tag and attributes as in main index.html page. That concludes today's video. This simple web app meant to demonstrate user may simply hold down Ctrl key and left click to generate password suggestion by using Python, Flask, and htmx. Thanks you for watching. If this video being informative for you, please consider like and subscribe.